Good afternoon, S&P time. Okay, so we're 24 points higher before we go into the open. Currently trading at 3579. So we're up from Friday's close. Now, the weekly pivot is at 3576. Obviously, it all does depend on whether or not the market can stay up where it is before and during Wall Street opening. If I was just looking straight at this chart, to be fair, it would show to me that it's going to come lower. But when you look at what it's done overnight, you can see that it's broken above where we thought it was going to be, or where I thought it was going to be. And we are at the 9-day moving average as well, which is at 3576. So you've got that 9-day moving average coming in with the weekly pivot. So that's going to be quite an interesting area for this today, and mainly for the next week. So as Mondays, usually we do what Fridays, or we follow through what Friday's done. This week, if it's up here and we open up here, that's not the case. So obviously you like to leave it a little bit of time on a Monday just to see, it settle down. We closed down 219 points in the Dow on Friday at 29263. So let's have a look at what the Dow's done. We're now trading up 288 points from Friday's close at 29449. So, again, that chart looks a bit negative. The stochastics are turning, the RSI is pointing lower. I don't like trading before Wall Street opens on a Monday. And Mondays is that if I'm going to lose money, Mondays is when I'm going to lose it. So I try really hard to stay away from it and just basically look for being able to take a position on it. Now, obviously, if we go down past Friday's low of 29246, then we should be able to come back to this area here, and that'll be coming in at 285.5. So this is the area you want to watch on the top side today, and that's 29,780. We're not nowhere near there yet, but the day is early. So let's have a look at the NAS. See, with the NAS you've got this rounding top as well, but obviously the Nasdaq is 36 points higher, not drastically higher, but it is 43 points higher at 11,952 after closing, as you can see there, at 11,906. So we're up again. This rounding top, and not being able to break through the previous highs is all a bit depressing for me. I think it looks toppy. These quotes that I'm giving you at the moment for the overnight moves and what's currently happening today, big changes so much before, from now and before Wall Street opens to when Wall Street opens. They are the one with the clout. They are the ones that will drive this market. So, and we've seen it time and time again, where we're so out of whack with what they do. So there's absolutely 0 point, I think, doing anything until the market opens. Okay, good luck. I will catch you all this afternoon.